Well, he is nice.
No, what? I mean, if we...
You want to eat the caterpillar?
Yeah.
No.
Why? That's gross.
Yeah, that's gross.
I think it's a baby caterpillar.
What do caterpillars turn into?
A butterfly.
What do they do first? Yeah. What is it they spin? They make a what?
Mommy.
What's it called?
What? That's like it. I'm in a dolly, Mommy.
Where's he going? What?
Let's see.